This is my first series on TEAS exam. Now today I'll be solving probability practice problem. The first question says, in a jar containing 3 yellow, 7 black and 5 white marbles, what is the probability of randomly drawing a black marble? First, I would like you to understand that the probability of any event equal to the cardinality, or you can say the number of that event, or the cardinality over the sample space, or let me go and put total. So once you know this rule, then it is going to be easy for you to do. Now in this case, what is our total? Our total number of balls or marbles is, we have 3 yellows, 7 black and 5 white marbles. So here in total we have 15 marbles. So what is the probability of drawing a black marble? The probability of drawing a black marble is going to be the number of black marbles over the total number of marbles. So how many black marbles do we have? Here we can see that we have 7 black marbles over the total, which is 15. This rule is general for any problem you can come across in probability. Now let's move to question number 2. In question number 2, it says, if you roll a standard 6-sided die, what is the probability of rolling even number? The first thing you have to do is to get the total sample space. When you throw a die, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? This is the possible sample space you can have. So the total is what? 6 faces. Now, what is the probability of throwing even numbers? So here we have the cardinality, or the number of even numbers over total. So here, what are the even numbers we have? The even numbers are numbers that can be easily divided by 2. So here we're going to have 2, 4, and 6. So in total, we have 3 even numbers over the total, which is what? 6. Finally, your answer can be in 1/2, which is half. Question number 3. It says, in a jar, there are 6 yellow, 4 blue, and 5 green marbles. If a yellow marble is drawn first and not replaced, look at this, it's very important. This is without replacement. What is the probability that the second marble drawn is a yellow? The total marble we have is 6 yellow plus 4 blue plus 5 green marbles. In total, we have 15 marbles. And here we have the number of yellow. We have 6. So the question is, find the probability that the second is yellow. Let me put that as y2. So we have the number that the second is yellow over the total. Now let's go back to the question. It says, if a yellow marble is drawn first and not replaced. So in that case, since the first yellow marbles drawn was not replaced, that is, the second yellow is going to be 6 minus 1. Okay, because the first yellow was not replaced, so the number of yellow is going to be 5. And our total was initially 15. So the first marble was drawn and not replaced, so the total is going to decrease also by 1. So here we have 5 over 14. Question number 4. It says, in a bag, there are 5 black marbles. 6 white marbles, 3 red marbles, and 2 blue marbles. What is the probability of drawing either a black or a red marble in one attempt? Now here, the first thing to do is to get the total number of marbles. We have 5 black marbles plus 6 white plus 3 red plus 2 blue marbles. Here in total, here we have 16. Now the question now is, okay, here we are looking for the probability of selecting black or red. So for black marbles, the number of black is what? 5. And the number of red marbles, for red marbles, we have that to be 3. Now we want to calculate the probability of selecting a black or red. In probability, when we talk about OR, we use addition. When we use the operation AND, we use multiplication. Okay, now the probability of black or red. So the number of black or the number of red. So we have 5, or means plus 3, divided by the total, which is what? 16. So here we have 8 over 16, and here we have 1 over 2. Question number 5. It says, a bag holds 9 green, 2 purple, 6 red, and 3 blue marbles. It can be marbles, it can be balls, or any object. It can be orange. I'm just using marbles as an example here. What is the probability of randomly drawing either a green or a blue marble? So for the last one, I want you to pause for a few minutes and use the knowledge in question number 4 to do this. Pause this video for some minutes and do this video and do this question. Okay, I'm going to do the answer right now, and I want you to check if what you've done is the same thing with what I'm going to do. Now the first thing you have to do is to get the total. For the total, we have 9 green, 2 purple, 6 red, 3 blue marbles. If you add this up, this is going to be 20. Now it says, what is the probability of randomly drawing a green or a what? Or a blue marble? For the green, we have our green to be 9. And we have our blue to be 3. So the probability of drawing the green or blue using the same approach is just going to be the number of green, or you can say or blue, over total. So green is 9. I told you all means addition, plus 3 over 20. And this is going to be 12 over 20. You can divide this further if you want. 4 in 12 is going to be 3. 4 in 20 is going to be 5. So your answer is going to be 3 over 5. So I'm going to stop here on probability. In my next video, I'm going to move to another topic. If you have any questions on probability, put it in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.